Tomorrow is day 1 of 75 hard. I'm going to be videoing and uploading as much as I can about it. Wanted to do something else that would be fun. I'll be working out twice a day as well as still working on the house. I get started tomorrow morning first thing, so let's get into it. Good morning. Officially day 1 of 75 hard. It is 6:13 a.m. We have a meeting that we got to catch for work. So I'm gonna make my bed, get showered, get ready, and then we're gonna head there. This meeting wasn't at our location, it was actually at the other store, so we just carpooled up this 25 Escalade. Just got back down to our store. The meeting was good. Salesman of the Year, got that award, so that was sweet. Got a couple appointments today, work until 7, so we're gonna knock those out. Hopefully it goes well. Look at this rig. Just sold this rig. It's a nice car. It's actually just someone I know. It's a high school chemistry teacher. But yeah, sold it to her. She's very nice. Better get her wrapped up and then knock out some paperwork. Just got out of the office. It is 7:07. Gonna go for a swim. Crack a cold one. White Gatorade, best flavor. So yeah, I'll let you know how the swim goes. Yippee. First workout of the day. Once I'm done with that, I might just lift at my house. So hopefully it's not that crowded. Just got out the pool. We did 45 minutes. A little bit of a longer swim, but felt good. Now we're gonna go home, eat some dinner, and then probably lift. Well, we're home. Got some frozen beef and rice I'm gonna cook up. That'll be my dinner for the lift. That. Welcome to my home gym. Gets the job done. I'm gonna hit some legs real fast now that we're done with the swim. Got some food in me, and yeah. It's dark. Just finished legs. Just going on a nice little cool down walk. Feels good. After being nice and hot inside, feels good to be out here. Yeah, once we're done with the walk, probably gonna shower, eat something real fast, and go to bed. It's the end of day 1, baby. We're in bed. Successful day 1. See you guys tomorrow.